Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to make an Amazon wishlist which you can then share with other people and then they can buy the products for you and ship it to your address. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead to Amazon. So once you're already here, you need to come here to the top right corner where it says hello and your name, account and list, and then you click on create a list. So if you haven't already signed in, you need to sign in and then you come here. So as you can see right now I'm in my lists, and as you can see I haven't ever created a list before, so it is empty. So all I have to do is just scroll down here and click on create a list, and then when it loads it's going to give me the option to give my list a name. So I'm going to give it a name. I'll just name it as wish list, then I will click on create a list. So right here on the left corner you can see your lists, and by default this is my wish list. But before you begin to create a list, I want you to come here to the right and click on more, where you will manage your lists, and when it pops up change this privacy to public. Then you don't have to worry about all this. You just have to scroll down here. You can add a description here if you want, and then the shipping address by default it is on none, but you may want to add an address. You just have to click on address or you type it in if you do not already have your address saved in Amazon. This is very important, this is very crucial part. You need to take note of this. It says share my shipping address with sellers. Now if you tick on this box, it's going to share your address with sellers, but you do not want other people, you do not want to just share your address with random people. So it's very advisable that you do not tick this box unless you really have a reason to tick it. Then you just click on save changes. So that's it. As you can see, your list is public, which shows that it has gone live. So now how do we add items to our list? So all you have to do is just click on now search for a product on Amazon. Let's say we want to search for a pencil case, for example. We click on a pencil case, and here you can see a list of pencil clicks, pencil cases you have. So you just have to click on choose anyone of your choice, and then you scroll down here, click on add to list. So here is my list, the list I just created is wish list. So as soon as I click on it, it's going to bring out this pop-up window, and then I can come here to view my list, and here it is. This is my pencil case. I just added it to this wish list. So from here I can send it to others, I can share it with others. So you see I can either invite someone to view only, I can invite someone to view and edit. So I'll click on view only for now, and then I'll copy the link. And if I copy the link and I share it to someone, the person pastes it in his web browser and hits go. It's going to bring him right to this place from where he can view it, and also he can purchase it for you if he wants. And that's it.